we can say that reflected sound. So how it is related to our mobile communication? We'll consider one example when we are calling our friend and we sometimes hear our own voice, or we sometimes hear our own voice plus our friend's voice. This is due to echo. So how it is caused and how to cancel this echo, we'll see in this tutorial. So there are basically two methods for echo cancellation. One is by using adaptive filter that we are going to see, and the second one is nothing by using but using hybrid circuit. So we are using a method called as using adaptive filter. Adaptive filters are the filters which adapt automatically according to their conditions. So we have used one system for echo cancellation. So this is our transmitter side from where we are going to transmit an input signal, and here this is also a transmitter side. This is this part mainly is implanted in every telephone system. This is an adaptive filter. These are the analog to digital converters we have used, and digital to analog converters. This is the main part, that is EcoPath hybrid telephone connection. It is nothing but a component for conversion of 2-wire circuit into 4-wire circuit and vice versa in telephone system. So first of all, the mismatches of the input signal in hybrid telephone connection causes echoes. So suppose we are transmitting an speech, we are calling over a phone, mobile phone, and this is our input signal which is in analog form. It passes through EcoPath hybrid telephone connection, mismatches occurs. So we are in a very much condition for getting an echo back. So we are using this circuitry to avoid this echo or to minimize this echo. So first of all, as we have seen that the analog signal needs, adaptive filters are digital filters, so they need digital input. So analog filters is transferred or is converted back into digital form, and this here we have when our input signal is reflected, so it is also in analog form and therefore it is converted into digital form. So here we are getting one signal, that is we are calling it a decay, which contains the speech as well as echo, and here we are using the output of adaptive filters and we are naming it as y of k, and this is our error signal, that is ek. The error signal, which is the difference of adaptive filters and decay, will produce an error signal, and hence these error signal we can produce an replica of this the replica of echo, that is we are producing a negative simulated echo here. So the original echo which we have seen that how decay is produced and how yk, that is replica of echo, is produced. So we are getting one signal, that is error signal, which adjusts this adaptive filter and help to adapt into the environment. So finally this ek is a digital signal which needs to be converted into analog signal. So this is digital signal gets converted into analog signal, and we received our original we receive the we do not receive any or any echo, or we can say that less echo. This system is basically implanted for minimizing the echo, not the complete cancellation of echo. So we are getting an